Today I am going to present the research of pleura. The research of pleura. There are two folds of research of pleura: parietal pleura, which act as a reserve space for the lung to expand during deep inspiration. When we take deep inspiration, that time lung will expand, and that lung expand up to that space. So this is known as reserve space. And there are two reaches of pleura. One is costo-mediastinal reaches and another one is costo-diaphragmatic reaches. First come to the costo-mediastinal reaches. This costo-mediastinal reaches, in this diagram, this portion is costo-mediastinal reaches. And this both are lung, and here this side, this is anterior and this side is posterior, and here anteriorly here present sternum, and along with the sternum here costal cartilage and ribs are present here. So this portion is costo-mediastinal reaches, so it is lies behind the sternum and costal cartilages, and uh, and this side present costal pleura, and this side present mediastinal pleura. So it is lies in between the costal pleura and mediastinal pleura, and particularly in relation to the cardiac nodes of the lung. This is costo-mediastinal reaches of pleura. Then come to the second one is costodiaphragmatic reaches. The costodiaphragmatic reaches, this is costodiaphragmatic reaches, and it is present inferiorly. This is the inferior portion of the lung, and in this side present costal pleura and this side present diaphragmatic pleura. So it is present in between the costal pleura and diaphragmatic pleura. And the vertical, if we measure vertically, then this is about 5 centimeter long, and it is extend from the 8 ribs to 10 ribs along with the mid axillary line. Then come to the nerve supply of the pleura. The parietal pleura is supplied by the somatic nerves, and the somatic nerves are intercostal and phrenic nerves, and the parietal pleura is pain sensitive. So the costal pleura and the peripheral part of the diaphragmatic pleura, these are supplied by the intercostal nerves, and the mediastinal pleura and central part of the diaphragmatic pleura, that portion is supplied by phrenic nerves. Then pulmonary pleura is supplied by autonomic nerve. Then come to the blood supply and lymphatic drainage. In parietal pleura, it is supplied by intercostal, internal thoracic, and musculophrenic arteries. Then veins drain mostly into the zygote and internal thoracic vein, and lymphatic drain into the intercostal, internal mammary, and the posterior mediastinal and diaphragmatic nodes. Then pulmonary pleura. The pulmonary pleura is supplied by the bronchial arteries, and veins drain into bronchial veins, and it is drained by the bronchopulmonary lymph nodes. Then the clinical anatomy. Then clinical anatomy, pleurisy. The pleurisy means this is the inflammation of pleura. Then pleural effusion. It is the collection of fluid in the pleural cavity. Then pneumothorax. When the air is present inside the pleural cavity, that is known as pneumothorax. Then hemothorax. When blood is present inside the pleural cavity, that is known as hemothorax. Then hydropneumothorax. When the fluid and air is present inside the pleural cavity, that is known as hydropneumothorax. Then empyema, when pus is present inside the pleural cavity, that is known as empyema. See here, this is the pleural effusion is present here. Fluid. Thank you.